Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring a Ryobi tool that I just got. This one actually I bought used, but to be honest with you, it's one of the best things I bought right now so far. This was going for I bought it for $20. All right, so I might have overpay or might not have overpay. It was probably used once, but to be honest with you, it's new to me because I never had it. It was all intact, everything, all the stuff, all the parts I needed were in here. So if you guys see it, it comes ready to go for air pressure. All right. And the great thing about it, we're going to put it to use right now. I do have a battery. Batteries were going more than the system was going for. So it's a on one battery. All right. Plus one battery, one plus, I will say. So it's interactive with other batteries that you have, other equipment, Ryobi. It's easy to distinguish because it's a different color from it. So power inflator, that's what it's called. Loud and noisy. So I want to show you here exactly. No PSIs are right there, but as soon as you close it down and you push it and you hold on to it, it tells you how much pressure it is. Right? This will last you for a couple of hours, especially on a larger battery, maybe an hour or so on usage. But the pressure on it, it's isn't enough to get your bike inflated, your car inflated, and also the great thing about it comes with this little system in the bottom here. If you can see it, you could take these off, and these slide off. And this is for, let me take it off. This is actually for any kind of individual pumps, like if you have those inflatable devices that need inputs like this, or you want to blow on it and this something like this, you got the adapter's simple. All you have to do is open it up. There's no twisting in there. You can just put it in there. There's no twisting. It just goes in and out. But once you lock it in, it doesn't come out. Air. The PSIs go. This will inflate something really quick, so I like about that. So another thing is that they include in here. Let me take the other one off here. So see it? If I can, there we go. So they do give you the other ones, the other devices for actually. This is for a tire, for a soccer ball, basketball, or any kind of things that you guys have. Another attachment here for a larger one, so it's not bad. I mean, they do have different attachments. If you see it, I'm gonna take one off. And they all change, interact. This is a larger one, so I'll put this one in here. And this is pretty much, you can blow things off with this one. You can use it as an air blower too, to be honest with you too. Also, not bad. I like that everything's included in here and not gets lost. I mean, for 20, I bought it for $20 used at a swap me. It's not bad. I mean, Ryobi has brand new ones. Of course, I'm gonna post them up here. But this was a great buy for me. I actually went today and I ended up buying it. And so far, I was very pleased with it. I am very pleased with it. It was all included. You don't have anything else. The only thing loose that I wish they had a little clip or something where you could tie this up instead of loosening it up, because unfortunately this doesn't have a clip. But as you can see on the top, this is the only thing they give you, and this is it. And I don't like that. This is probably the dumbest thing. You see that? I don't know how it goes, but we're gonna figure it out. Maybe it has some other routine things in here, but it's one of these. So the way we're gonna put this back in here, so we won't lose them. And they clip in there, so it won't loosen up. So you have this, but this part right here doesn't have really anywhere to go. It's supposed to go there, but I wish they had something better. I mean, I like that it lights up. This is an awesome feature. I like this. It tells you exactly how much pressure you're gonna put in there, which I love about that, and how much pressure you have. It has a feedback too, so not bad. So not bad at all. I like it. Batteries interchangeable. Other than that, it's a Ryobi power inflator. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.